Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. A couple weeks ago, I made a video about the graph paper tool and the table, or I made it on the table tool. Somebody asked me, what's the difference between the graph paper and the table tool? Well, there's not much, but there is. If we use the graph paper, and we're going to draw a deal that's 6 blocks by 5 inches. That is super. You did it that fast, and if you want them a certain size, you could make this one 40 by 20, and 20, not 2. And you'd have these symbols. But these are just blocks. And if you go to object and ungroup them, you've got individual blocks. That would, back in, when I first started doing laser, and that I would have been happy with that. But it's having to cut this line twice and this line twice. There's no way around it with this. I mean, even if you convert them to curves, it's still blocks. So that was the graph paper. Now let's do the same thing. And the reason it's different and better, the table tool, we're going to do the same thing 5 by 6 because I was using a video. And let's just make it the same 40 by 20. The difference is you can now go to object and break the table apart and actually go to object, group, and ungroup them. And you have individual lines. It's going to cut it out just like it was before, with the exception is it's going to save you laser time. It's not going to save you any more wood because you have the other ones butted up to each other. But it's also, if you're doing wood or even acrylic, it's less burn time. If you're doing this in wood and you cut this line twice, you're getting sap and suet and flashback on the back on both cuts. Where this, because it's having to cut 2 cuts because there are 2 cuts. Well, with this, there's only 1 cut. And you're going to have these 13 objects or whatever it is. That can't be 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 30 objects in there. Anyway, so there is a little difference. I never use this type, thing in my business, but if you're making name tags, this is the way to go. Unless if you want to search on my video for cut tags, Roy Brewer, one of my mentors, invented a cut tag that will do this real quick and make it even with rounded corners. Anyway, I hope that answered that person's question, and thank you for watching.